ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelna Conrad Sangma hakakat sautari gubernur rempang arajar arpuar ula Pynshai baki sanmut ki MLA ke seng Congress ki syuai Jingkyrshan ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance tang ban ya trailang bad ban bodin halor ki mat ba kongsan jong ke Jelna ki ba yadai bad ke jing pen bay upod usam ke jing bodin ban penrung ya ke ketien khasi ya ke kernet ke ba henreu ke jing dawa ban pentrai kam ya ke inline permit bad ki way de ki mat. Hakajingnya keren mat kilat pathai khubor Conrad Sangma ulo ongru bala da kibor bahalor jong ko All India Congress Committee ki suspennya ki sangut ki MLA halor ko nongrim baki Jingkyrshan ke Sorkar halor ki mat ba kongsan jong ke Jilla kata ka shong ha ka rai jong ko All India Congress Committee.
See, that is a issue that is between the AICC and the MLAs. And what the party decides, that is something that I have no comment on. But purely the MLAs have made it very clear that keeping in mind the larger interest of the state, the larger interest of the people and overall governance, they have decided to give support as a CLP, support the government, and that's a welcome move from our side. No, the merger issue is a different issue. That is something that we have to study even further. And as I said, that we have not reached that particular juncture yet. Right now, it is purely on the basis of governance and support for the issues that are important to the state. We are going through tough situations when it comes to COVID, when it comes to the border issue, and there are many other issues that have been pending for a long time. And finally, the government is taking steps to resolve those issues. And seeing these positive steps being taken, the other MLAs are motivated to work with us and support us. And that's a good message to the people in general, showing that the political leadership is together and would want to work together in the larger interests of society and the state.